In today's video, I'm going to show you how to reopen closed tabs in Obsidian so you never lose your place or lose your flow when working with multiple notes. If you find this helpful, be sure to like and subscribe, and let's get right into it. First, launch Obsidian on your device and open the vault where the tab was previously open. It might sound obvious, but making sure you're in the right vault is the first step because each vault keeps its own workspace history. Now, think about the name of the note you closed and confirm it was recently closed. This matters because Obsidian gives you multiple ways to recover it, and we'll work through the fastest options first. The simplest method is to check the File Explorer panel. Open it up, locate the note you closed, and click it. That will reopen it in a new tab, and you should see it appear on your tab bar immediately. But there's an even quicker way if you prefer keyboard shortcuts. Press Ctrl+O on Windows or Linux, or Command+O on a Mac to open the quick switcher. Start typing part of the note name, review the matching results, highlight the correct note, and press Enter to reopen it instantly. If the quick switcher doesn't return what you need, head to the command palette by pressing Ctrl+P or Commands-P and search for recently accessed notes there. Obsidian also keeps a local history for each session, so you can use the navigation arrows in the top toolbar. Click the back arrow to return to notes you viewed earlier, and click forward if you move too far back. This is especially handy for jumping between recent edits without hunting through folders. Sometimes you'll want to organize your workspace as you go. Right-click a note in the File Explorer and choose to open it in a new tab, or even in a split pane, which helps you restore your previous working environment. For notes you use all the time, right-click important tabs and select Pin to keep them accessible, or bookmark frequently accessed notes so they're easy to reopen later. Once you've rebuilt your tab layout, arrange your tabs as needed and save your workspace layout to keep important notes available throughout your session. Finally, review all your open tabs to make sure every necessary note has been restored. By using bookmarks, pin tabs, and organized workspaces, you can quickly recover from accidentally closed tabs and maintain your productivity in Obsidian. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next tutorial.